I'm hungry is my middle name.
Well, my treat. I'll take you a place in Tainan where we can eat and blend like the locals.
Really? Sounds interesting. You had me at my treat. Tara?
Yeah, let's go. Anumang lugar ang marating, iba't ibang lahi man ang makasalumuha. One thing binds us all for sure, our immense love of food.
So get your palates ready for a flavorful burst of local Taiwanese dishes and let's hit the road for a scrumptious culinary journey. First stop, Wenzang Beef Soup sa Anping District.
The most famous beef soup in the whole of Tainan is here at Wenchang, and Rovilson and I are ready to dig in.
Yes, I cannot wait. Did you see the line, girl? Let's see what all the fuss is about. You ready?
Yep.
Let's do it. Now, when it arrived, it was a bit on the pink side. Very undercooked, no?
Feels very light, but it's really packed with so much flavor. Okay, let's try the beef. Ang lambot.
Oh, that strip of fat is delicious. Wow, Wagyu quality fat.
I agree.
You're really in for a treat because aside from Wenzang's blockbuster beef noodles, may iba pang beef specialties na dinadayo rito.
This one looks very interesting. Thinly sliced cuts of beef tongue.
Gusto ko malaman kung ano ba yung difference ng lasa ng beef tongue versus the ox tongue.
Okay.
Maybe we can start with this one.
Let's do it.
Sarap din. Ang sarap.
And the sauce is excellent.
Alam mo yung Taiwanese cuisine, it really fits well with the Filipino palate. Pasok na pasok sa panlasa ng mga Pilipino.
And also the way people eat. I mean, if you notice, it's definitely family first. Everybody eats at the table together, just like how we Pinoys eat at home.
The best way to experience culture is through food. At dito sa Tainan, you won't run out of food options pagdating sa food trip. Gaya na lang sa Wangshi fish skin where you can always eat like a local.
Here in Tainan, one of their must-eat is milkfish or bangus.
Yes, I'm excited. I'm excited for this, especially as a boy. Proudly from Pangasinan, I can't wait to try Tainan bangus or milkfish.
Let's try the soup first.
All right.
Super flavorful.
Taiwan's passionate attitude reflects many aspects, including eating, whether it's cheap street food or exquisite meals. Because of the passion for food and cooking in Taiwan, gourmet has become an attractive industry and Taiwan's soft power.
Taiwan is such a delight for locals and tourists alike, not just because of its food and scenery, but because of the perfect blend of warmth and energy that it radiates.
But don't get us wrong, we're not yet done with the food part. In fact, papunta na kami sa isa sa mga pinaka-unique na dining spots sa Yuanshan Township.
With an array of delicacies on a menu like nothing else, or perhaps nothing at all.
We've had our fill of street food and now it's time to chase something different and unique here in Taiwan. We are at a no-menu restaurant, and as the name suggests, there's no menu and the chef will just surprise us.
Definitely a surprise is an understatement. I mean, look at this very first dish. Wow, it's abalone and broth jelly, and it just defies all logic, diba?
Sarap ng jelly. It's so soft.
And are you getting a little bit of the red
yeah.
berries there? It just adds another dimension to the flavor. Cheers to you, Val, and
Cheers.
of course, I Heart PH.
I actually like it more with sauce.
Yes,
Maybe it's
I
a
do.
Filipino in me na
Absolutely.
kailangan lahat may sauce.
As they say in Mexico, bon appetit. Look at this, Val.
What a presentation!
Look at that.
It makes the whole eating process, not just eating.
That was amazing.
Our next dish is sake-flavored steamed fan lobster.
You had me at sake.
2 more to go, but we're already pretty packed by now. The food combination, the flavor, the aroma, everything just keeps getting better and better, I must say.
Val, you ready? On three, huh? Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Oh my goodness! Wow, mesmerizing. Here we go, kids. I am high-fiving my taste buds right now. My first thought, it's so clear.
Oh my, clear broth, no?
Clear broth, you see right down to the bottom.
This is a plum noodle soup with shrimp and loofah.
Oh my goodness, look at it.
Kahit na iba-iba siyang food, iba-iba siyang dishes, pero parang cohesive pa din. It's an experience.
Excellent observation. It's part of a theme.
And last but not the least, a decadent pleasure for the sweet tooth.
True to the theme of the restaurant na dapat kakaiba, eto rin, this dessert is different. Hindi siya mango, hindi siya apple or banana.
Yeah, exactly. All right, Val, we worked up an appetite doing shopping at ASEAN Plaza. Now it's time to do shopping for my tummy.
Yes,
Okay na
yes,
po?
I agree.
Oh, sige.
Oh my God!
It's so light. This will be delicious. Are you ready? One bite each.
Okay.
Okay. Oh my God, this is so good.
This one is chicken. So what we have here is first the basic, the original grilled massage chicken.
This, of course, is the thick-cut grilled teriyaki thigh.
And the chicken popcorn.
I have to admit it, Taiwan, you are on the map for making excellent chicken.
And because for millennials, Taiwan is almost synonymous to milk tea, makikiin na rin kaming mga phillennials or feeling millennials.
Okay.
Well done.
Well done.